शेफ विकास खन्ना ने की अनाउंसमेंट ग्लोबल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर यूएस क्रैनबेरीज की। देख लीजिए इस इवेंट के नज़ारे।
ये ज़िंदगी का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मिशन है कि हिंदुस्तान को सारी दुनिया तक पहुंचाना और सारी दुनिया को हिंदुस्तान में लेके आना। आई थिंक इट्स गुड कि आप हर कोर्स में यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसको। यहाँ आप इसकी खटास सेलिब्रेट कर रही हैं, इसकी मिठास सर्व कर रहे हैं। आई जस्ट फील के जूसेस हैं, इट इज़ गुड फॉर इम्यूनिटी, इट्स गुड फॉर गट। एंड मेरे लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि हमारे खाने में ये मिल जाता है। आप ये बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल इंग्रेडिएंट है। आप सोच लीजिए कि ये किशमिश का काम भी कर देता है, आपको इमली का काम भी कर सकता है आपके लिए। आप जो चीज़ें सावरनेस ऐड करनी वो भी कर सकता है, एक बाइट ऐड कर सकता है। आप देखेंगे मैं डिश बना रहा हूँ, दही की टिक्की बना रहा हूँ मैं। आप उसमें कैसे जब आपके पास एक छोटी चाट बनाते हैं, उसमें अगर थोड़ी सी क्रैनबेरीज भी डालते हैं, उसकी किक अलग है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ जी, आज मैं यहाँ आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ। इट्स एन ऑनर फॉर मी एंड आई होप आई कंटिन्यू दिस जर्नी फॉर फ्यू मोर ईयर्स टू सेलिब्रेट इंडिया टू द वर्ल्ड। एवरीवन, आई थिंक मेरी एक लाइफ का हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा इजी रहेगा फ्लुएंसी में मेरी। I just feel that as a chef who has received such major opportunities in the world, it's my obligation to my country that I take everything what's amazing about Indian civilization and introduce it to the West. And it's also my obligation to bring some of the amazing things I'm seeing in the West. It could be produce techniques, ideas, and bring them to India. मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत ही एक यूनिक मौका मिला है मुझे इस उम्र के पड़ाव पे, when I'm almost playing my last inning in the food business, that I've got these opportunities which have never been heard before. Where a chef could be cooking for the president at the same time, could be hosting a show which reaches every home back home in the largest country in the world. I just feel that I have to be very careful what I touch. और उसमें एक चीज़ जो मुझे लगी बहुत ही यूनिक was always cranberries. It's a very mainstream part of American culture, and I've been consuming it from my morning cereal to creating salads with this, charts with chutney. आप देखेंगे, I'll also do a small demo for you guys. And I do feel कि मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि I bring something which is amazing happening in the world, not just for taste, but also for the gut. It's very high in vitamin C, which really helps. And I do feel कि Indian खाने में जब हम देखते हैं हमारी हिस्ट्री ऑफ अ फूड, many ingredients came from abroad. Many ingredients. It's hard to even differentiate now कि जो चीज़ें हिंदुस्तानी नहीं है, जो यहाँ पे आई वो हमारी अपनी हो गई. And I do feel कि cranberry is one of them. Cranberry really fits into our palate structure. Let's talk about taste. Indians के लिए सर्वोत्तम taste, health, बातें अच्छी लगती है हमको, but healthy बातें करेंगे पर खाएंगे समझ से. But that's also okay. But I do feel that as a changing lifestyle, and I did not know that Gen Z is not very diet conscious because they talk the most about food and this is what I'm eating and I'm so selective what I eat. But I do feel that our traditions are changing. What our grandparents or great grandparents were eating, we are trying to bring those value systems back in our kitchens. जो चीज़ें उनको अवेलेबल थी, जो आटे उनको अवेलेबल थे, जो ग्रेन्स अवेलेबल थे, अब कम somehow they are becoming superfoods, which are our basic ancient wisdom. वैसे ही अमेरिका में ये जो छोटी सी बेरी होती grow, if you've seen how this is harvested, it's a pure work of art. Me and Sumit spend a lot of time on their fields. It's a brilliant work where it's not, the berry is not even touched. It's entirely processed with machines. And I do feel that it has something which is very versatile. अगर आप में से सबने टेस्ट किया cranberry, you can say the same thing what I want to say, that it touches our palate in a very chart जैसे touch करती है हमारे palate को. I do feel from taste profile, it also has an amazing chewy texture. Even if you put it in little biryani, somehow it has this thing where it hits out. It makes the food which is normal mundane also interesting. Sandwich fillings, chaat filling, we do talk about that later. But I do feel कि एक ऐसा ingredient हमें मिल रहा है and which is going to be available to us in tons now. We saw 900% growth, which is not easy for a foreign ingredient. But I do consider cranberries now कि जो एक बार हमारे इंडिया आ गया वो हमारा हो गया. So cranberry is one of them. A lot of people in this room might not know that I've been spending millions of dollars in so many years, directly or indirectly, to bring Indian produce to the West. बहुत सारे शेफ्स जो अमेरिका में खाना बना रहे हैं उनको शायद आइडिया भी नहीं होगा कि when we started talking about agriculture and plantation, from jamun to phalsas to kari patte. So many things have my blood and soul into it. जैसे हम इंडिया को लेके आ रहे हैं बाहर, we also need to find to bring the world to India. I don't want us to be left behind in this race. I love without sugar, but it also depends what am I using it for. But we do feel that there's a subtlety of the इसमें जो sugar है, you know, if you do blind test, this is something which is like a थोड़ी सी खट्टी, a मीठी किशमिश से better. Kishmish is what, 450 रुपए किलो? This is 600 rupees kgs, approximately. So you're talking about kishmish, which has very less health benefits as compared to cranberries. And I do feel with the trade going forward, this is going to be our daily use in many things. आपके मीठों में जब जाती है, तो it just adds a different layer to it. And आपने कहा skin के लिए बहुत अच्छी है. डॉक्टर साहब की स्किन और बाल देख लो मेरे.
Yeah, we kind of agree with you.
सब खुश है, स्किन पर बात से सब बड़े खुश हैं. There's no challenge. No, not really. We do feel that it really makes a lot of. It just not doesn't make so much difference. बहुत लोग रास्ते में खरीद भी सकते हैं सामान. एक कप cranberries. Like it could be. I prefer mixing unsweetened and sweetened, which is also great. But और एक कैन कंडेंस मिल्क का और 4 कप आपके आमंड फ्लावर का. Just mix it up. You're gonna thank me tomorrow. You can create one of the best burfis in the world under 2 minutes. So I always have to think about how I'm going to use cranberries in something new. हम एक लड्डू बनाते हैं, इसमें इसको stuff करते हैं. Because every day we have a new mithai in the restaurant. Every day, 365 days we invent a new mithai which will be served in the restaurant. Palate. I can put something so interesting, and people who do not go tasting cranberries for the first time, इस room में है जिसने cranberry taste नहीं की अभी तक? Is there anyone who's never tasted cranberry? So we are on our way to that. We are on our way to being embracing cranberries as a whole. आप देख लेना बहुत जल्दी. आप अगर मिठाई की दुकान पे जाते हैं, वो बोलता है आपको कि भैया ये लड्डू है stuffed with cranberries. How do you suddenly feel? Wow, somebody's putting effort, thinking, not just for the mithai to sell it, which is important, but also for benefit for me. Cranberry jelly is so easy to make, and you're going to start seeing in a few months that how this is going to catch up. तो avocado के साथ हुआ है in the last few months. It has become a part of every cafe, and you're going to see this. What is happening in cranberries? Many times when I go to any regular bakeries, there is always a cranberry cookie sitting on the counter. Cranberry health bar, protein bar, cranberry spice mix, cranberry nut mix, cranberry cheesecake. It is going to be taking over because of its versatility. हाँ ये बिल्कुल होगा. हर चीज़ को समय लगता है. If you look at history of our Indian food, बहुत साल लगे होंगे टमाटर को भी हमारे खाने में आने के लिए. आलू को हमारे खाने में आने में बहुत समय लगा होगा. But अभी because आपके पास माइक है, मेरे पास माइक है, यहाँ हर जने के हाथ पे एक मीडियम रिकॉर्ड करेगा, तो हमारे पास चीज़ें जल्दी पहुँच रही. मुझे आलू को हर घर में जगह ढूंढने के लिए कितने सदियां लगी होंगी. क्रैनबेरी को इतनी सदियां नहीं लगेंगी because of the mediums we are using now, and also we become more curious as civilization, and what is good for us we know how to judge it. You see, when we have this conference next year to celebrate this 900% growth will reach to 9,000%.